We are working on a bathroom project and today I would like to talk about the importance of getting all the framing straight and plumb and adding all the proper blocking when the wall is open. Because as you can see, we had to actually get add up. I didn't want to sister up the studs because of the electrical and the plumbing and all the other things. And this is before the rough-in plumbing comes in. Plumber comes tomorrow, but we need to know the proper plane of the wall. So we spent extra time at least getting these 1x to get the plumbing all nice and straight. So we have a nice plumb and straight across the whole wall plane for the carry board. And we do have few grab bars coming in, so I am always going with extra plenty of blocking, because then you have the freedom to, you are not just married to the location of the studs. If you have a solid plywood blocking behind the tile, then you can put the grab bars wherever you go, make it line up with the tile or center of the tile, because you have the freedom. And on this wall we don't even actually plan to add anything yet, but now is the chance to get a piece of plywood in. So, you know, a little bit of the old plywood from the subfloor I used to add the blocking, where in the future, who knows, in a year, 2, 3, and I've been in a situation, we just pull up the picture because we have the dimensions of the ceiling where exactly the blocking is. So as you can see, here's the advice: always mark it up from the distances from places, because once you tile over, you have no idea where things are. So, or here, because I have no line, no fixed corner, I go off the ceiling, and then I go off the center line of the shower, because the hand shower outlet and the shower head will be centered for the drain, and that's where I will measure from the center line of the shower, so I will know exactly where my blocking is for the hand shower bar, and even for the corner shelf grab bar. So again, the message is: make sure your plumbing is straight and plumb, and put always extra blocking in the walls, just in case. You will not be sorry a year later. Thank you for watching.